You're in the right place. With 200 different species of trees and shrubs, Lille is a great place for a walk through the woodlands of the world.
This is it. Yeah.
Look at the moss.
I love forests.
It's like a massive playground for nature, where everyone just comes together and they're like, woo!
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, you go through there to do the car park, and you go way around the back, and then back to here again.
Hello everyone, how you all doing? We're going to go for a little wander in the forest now. It's a pretty epic spot. I'm not going to take that camera for video though, because I want to focus on pictures. So I'm going to take the Osmo instead. So if the audio is not very good, then sorry about that. I mean, that is annoyingly stable.
Any complaints on that one?
Yeah. So now it'll be, the audio is shit!
They've not brought up that microphone yet?
No. It's just on camera mic on this.
Oh god, I can't.
I want to do some more hiking. 30 seconds in, kill me! Don't, you can't blame it on the boots the whole way round.
Actually I can, because I'm massive. No, I don't like that too. Ooh, I like what's going on here.
Nice. Yeah. God, I do love a proper forest. God.
That looks like Wonderland.
Pretty mega.
Wow, that's a long way down this side.
Nice.
Nice. Oh, this is nice. This is so nice.
This is the sort of roads I wanted to find.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And drive up.
Well, this looks like a road, to be fair.
Yeah.
It's like got tracks.
Sorry? Oh, he's rolled a few times, yeah.
That's what Leon used to do, innit? Just try and bomb up the side of everything.
Yeah.
Except he'd never come back.
He loved it. He's built somewhere sideways.
It's so strong. Like his back legs.
Yeah, there's a
like
joke, weren't it? Facing your friend. Marie knocking out some bangers.
Trying to. I do want to spin the middle though.
So good.
Stick.
Hide away in the forest. There's an old track down there.
Okay.
I'm still looking at that thinking,
What
get the van up there.
Get the van up there.
Yeah. Give it a damn good go.
This is one of the nicest forests I've ever been in.
Yeah, it's a bit nice, isn't it?
I think it's just the autumnal vibes.
Yes. I love that forest, like you go.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that weren't like this.
No, it wasn't.
This is mega.
This is more dimensional, isn't it?
Apologise to the person behind me.
We are off again. Heading further north. Just found a campsite. It's about 25 miles away, so hopefully we'll be able to go there and empty all of our tanks and stuff. Fingers crossed. Oh, it feels nice to be back on the road with a full tank of fuel and a full jerry can. Oh yeah, shit, the big curveball. Opportunities, folks, you gotta take them. Carry on north. Nice. Woo. Pretty amazing. Whoa. When it's this good.
Grocery stores up ahead. Petrol, diesel, Calga gas.
Calga?
In that fucker.
Well, just pulled over to get some drone footage, folks, and it decided it didn't want to work. So, unfortunately, no bueno. I'll try and fix it at the next spot because I've got no internet here to Google what the problem is. So, that's great. So, driving shots will have to do for now, I'm afraid.
You know, like World of Warcraft, where you just like mince around in the dark, and there's like all these like villages and stuff. Literally, it's just, God, it's so weird. It's like a place, but it's just not a place.
This is proper middle of nowhere job now. I don't know how well you lot can see that, but that is insane.
Oh my God.
I just drove off the road.
I found this village, and apparently there's a toilet emptying. Not holding my hopes up though. Views here are just phenomenal. It said to use the services is £4. So apparently this is the spot. I'm not going to stay here because it's like £20 a night, but should be able to use the dump and stuff. Longest. We can empty our shit! Oh! Finally! Where it is? Ah, here we go. Chemical toilets only. Down there. Oh, this is a bit posh. There you go, cracking little spot to come and sort all your tanks and stuff out. But we can't stay here.
I've got the